How to sign out YouTube account from other devices. For that, first of all, launch your YouTube application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then, hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select Google account. Now you have to choose security and scroll down a little bit. There you will see manage all devices. Simply hit on that. Now, choose the device in which you want to sign out your Google or YouTube account. From here, simply hit on the sign out and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily sign out YouTube account from other devices. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.